We have made a wind turbine with a solar panel on it. We wanted to make something that every household could have, so it couldn't be something big or very expensive. We thought making a wind turbine would be a great idea, but that was both big and expensive, so we thought, why not make a little one that you can put on your roof, so that you can have it on your cabin, or where you might not need very much power, or you can connect it to a television or any other device, or to the main power to reduce your electricity bill. And later in the progress, we decided to put a solar panel on it so that we could get more power from it.
I'm going to explain how the wind turbine is built. Our prototype of the wind turbine consists of a generator, blades, and the base of the wind turbine. We did not have the time to make a homemade generator, and it was more economic to use a reversed brushed electronic motor to make electricity. This is basically the same principle as a copper coil and rotating magnets. Our idea of the wind turbinator consists of 13 components: the blades, rotor, pitch, brake, low-speed shaft, gearbox, controller, nacelle, high-speed shaft, yaw drive, yaw motor, and the base of the turbine. I'm going to explain the most important components of the wind turbinator. The brake is used to slow down the rotating speed of the wind turbine for safety. Otherwise, the blades might rotate so fast they could break off the base. The controller prevents the power generated from the overcharging the batteries or might shortcut the house electricity, depending on the use of the generated power. And the gearbox creates more resistance in the rotating blades to create more power. And the nacelle is a capsule around the components inside the wind turbinator, and it's used for protection from the weather.
Wind energy is fueled by the wind, so it's a clean fuel source. Wind energy doesn't pollute the air like power plants that rely on combustions of fossil fuels, such as coal and natural gas. Wind turbines don't produce atmospheric emissions that cause acid rain or greenhouse gases. This product is good for the environment because it doesn't pollute, but the main goal for this product is to help people save money so that they can choose other more expensive, environmentally friendly products instead of cheap, non-environmentally friendly products. Like instead of buying long-traveled cheap food, you can use the money you save to buy more expensive local organic food. This will make your life greener.
A problem you might think of is the sound the wind turbine makes. So what we are thinking is that they are like an on-off button, so that you can have it on when you are at work and your children are at school, and off when you are going to sleep. But the sound the wind turbine makes is so minimal that it won't bother you that much. Birds can also be a problem, but the thing you can do is to take a net or a cage around the turbine so that only wind can get through. What we think and wants to do with this turbine is to design it in different colors and shapes. They are designed to be aerodynamic and to be special because they are one of a kind with all the different designs. And this makes them very attractive because everyone wants to have something special that not many others have.
I am now going to tell you a little bit about how our wind turbine works. On our prototype, we have decided to use a brushed electrical motor, as you can see on this photo, to generate the electricity. This motor consists out of a copper coil and a magnet. On this exact motor, it is the magnet rotating inside the copper coil that creates electrical tension, which produce the electricity. The wind turbine produces electricity when there is wind blowing on the blades, and the blades will rotate the magnet because of the angle the blades have. On our turbine, we have also used a solar panel, and the idea behind using this solar panel is to produce more electricity. For instance, if there's a lot of sun, there will be produced a lot more electricity. The full-size model would actually work just like our prototype. It would just be in a bigger size with a much bigger motor. On a big industrial wind turbine, there's more technology and there are gearbox and brakes and stuff like that. But since we are building a much smaller wind turbine to fit on a house, we don't need all this technology, but it would be made out of more metal and sturdy parts, but it would be a lightweight and small wind turbine. When we talk about safety on our wind turbine, there will be a safety that makes sure that the rotor blades doesn't spin too fast. And the reason why we need this type of safety is because the worst thing that could happen would be if the propeller fell off, because this could be catastrophic.